once I had balushai made out of your hand, it was very tasty. Then please tell me the recipe of that. I told her the recipe of that. And she used so many flattery words, for me. That you are so perfect, you make so good, your every like balushai turns out so good. And like every balushai is in good shape. How you
I think I am visible.
Yes, you are visible. And
Good
you
afternoon.
are looking so pretty in this black dress. Yeah.
Thank you for this compliment. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, Tanya. Okay. Yeah.
Tanya. You are
Yes.
forcibly saying Tanya. Okay.
Yeah, because I was thinking of Sneha. Before you want Sneha Lata, Sneha was calling me. Some Sneha, not Sneha Lata. So I was confused, Tanya or Sneha. Then I thought, no, it's Tanya. Okay.
Mhm. So how is the
So
weather in Lucknow?
yeah, weather it started being cold, especially in the morning time and
Mm.
evening also. Yeah.
Mm. And are you planning for, in this season, mostly people are making some kind of laddus, winter laddu, we can say.
Yeah. Yes, winter laddus with all those, meva and all that, sorry, those dry fruits. So
Yeah,
yeah, very healthy. Actually, it's very healthy. And til laddu also, til. You make til
mm,
laddus?
mm. Because, these like till laddu and some other dry fruit laddu, it always, keep our body warm in this season.
Yes, right. But the thing is that I don't love any laddus. I don't know, not, never no laddu, but I do make for my husband. Yeah, but I don't like. I only prefer, that bundi ka laddu in prasad, only that laddu I prefer.
But,
Yeah.
these laddus are very good for our
I know
bones.
that. Yeah, I know that. But sometimes
Mm.
I forcefully I eat, because I know that it is healthy and it will keep me warm in this winter. So I forcefully eat, like try to eat one in a day. But if you talk like about how you like, then I don't like it.
Okay, every person has their, own choices.
Yeah, own choices, right?
So in this video, I will narrate a story and after that we will discuss about the topic.
Yes. Yeah.
So in a bustling city, there was a forest and in that forest, there lived a crow. Crow name was Charlie. Charlie was known for his intelligence and smartness. And he was very handsome crow.
Oh,
So
oh, and that also very handsome. My God.
yes, crow was very handsome.
Okay.
So one day he got bread. After getting the bread, he was feeling very happy because he was very hungry. And there was also a fox. Fox name was Smiley. Smiley was a cunning fox. And she heard the tales of that crow Charlie, that he is
Yeah.
very smart, he's handsome, and he's very intelligent. So she decided, okay, I will conduct a test. He is smart or not. Then she approached Charlie. Oh, Charlie, you are looking so handsome, and I heard that you sing. Your voice is very melodious. Can
Yeah.
you sing a song for me? After hearing her words, he feel I am on the cloud nine. Then he opened his beak, and after opening his beak, the bread was fell down on the ground.
Yeah.
Then Smiley snatched the bread and ran away. After watching this, he was stunned and numb also.
Yeah.
Then he realized only cleverness is not enough. You should be
Mm.
these kind of platters.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
So now my topic is: did you observe any flatter person just around you?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember because it's a very long ago it happened.
Mm-hmm.
One of my friend, she went on asking, particular dish. I remember about that, making balushai. My hand is very perfect in making those balushai. So she told me,
Mm-hmm.
balushai, that's sweet, and she told me how you make.
Yes.
And yeah, then how you make? Please try to. Once I had balushai made out of your hand, it was very tasty. Then please tell me
Mm-hmm.
the recipe of that. I told her the recipe of that. And she used so many flattery words, for me,
mm,
that you
mm,
are so perfect, you make so good, your every like balushai turns out so good, and like every balushai is in good shape. How you make and all that. And one what happened? She had a guest in their house, and she
mm,
called me. I never knew that so much of stuff she had to make for me. You know,
mm,
for me, how could I make it so much? I can make like 15 or 20 balucha is enough to make. And in
mm,
those flattering words, she thought that in the next, maybe I'll call her after so many days, and she will definitely this will come. I will come to my house, and like she will make herself. But
mm,
I told her, please help me also. How will I make so many?
mm.
Yeah. I had taken her assistant. I told her, please assist me because I won't be able to. And she told me, if I'll assist you, maybe something goes wrong and that taste doesn't come. I told, okay, it doesn't matter. You please do this and that. I made her also do with me. You
Mm.
know,
Some
some that,
people are very, they use tricks also to make you
yeah,
fool.
of course, yeah, they use tricks also. Yeah.
Yes, like nowadays, there are so many person who know, okay, we can make this person fool by, using some praising words.
Correct, correct. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, they make fools and because they want their work to be done. So that's why.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So in this story, I can say it is mandatory. We should be, smart and clever. But yes, we should use our brain also. Why this
yeah,
person is, doing this kind of activity again and again. If someone
yes,
is doing unnecessarily your, appreciation, that time I can say there is one more motive behind this.
correct. Yes, yes, definitely. And sometimes we understand also the person's
Yes.
motive behind what is the motive. Maybe some motive that person has. So we can understand many times. But sometimes we are fooled also. We should not. Yeah,
I can say intentionally we are, becoming fool
yeah, yeah, correct. Yes, yes.
because everyone likes, appreciation. Sometimes I can say flattery also.
Yes, we should not be like driven away by the flattery. We should have a like wise decision we should be able to make, and should be very alert about these things, why the people maybe some motive is behind these all things. So we should be alert with this and we should like have
Hmm.
a able to make the wise decision. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So it was a lovely session with you. I hope you also enjoyed this session.
Yes, too much, and your stories are always fascinating.
Now I'm going to end this session.
तो आज की कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद हम देखेंगे कुछ डेली यूज सेंटेंस। पहला सेंटेंस है, वह प्रमोशन पाने के लिए हमेशा मैनेजर की चापलूसी करता रहता है। चापलूसी के लिए एक वर्ड होता है फ्लैटरी, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम एक स्लैंग को भी यूज कर सकते हैं, ब्राउन नोजिंग। ही इज ऑलवेज ब्राउन नोजिंग द मैनेजर टू गेट अ प्रमोशन। ही इज ऑलवेज ब्राउन नोजिंग द मैनेजर टू गेट अ प्रमोशन। ब्राउन नोजिंग एक स्लैंग है। अगला है, झूठी तारीफें करना बंद करो, यह सच्ची नहीं लगती हैं। स्टॉप ओवर प्रेजिंग, इट डजंट सीम जेन्यून। स्टॉप ओवर प्रेजिंग, इट डजंट सीम जेन्यून। अगला सेंटेंस है, इधर उधर की बातें करना बंद करो, सीधे मुद्दे पर आओ। स्टॉप बीटिंग अराउंड द बुश एंड कट टू द चेज। इसका मतलब ये होता है, जब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता, कुछ लोग इधर उधर की बातें करते हैं, घुमा फिरा कर बातें कहते हैं, तो हम ऐसे बोल देते हैं ना, सीधे मुद्दे की बात पर आते हैं। तो वहाँ पर हम इस ईडियम को यूज कर सकते हैं, कट टू द चेज। अगला है सेंटेंस, हम सीधे मुद्दे पर आ सकते हैं, मैं अंतिम निर्णय जानना चाहता हूँ। कैन वी कट टू द चेज, आई वॉन्ट टू नो द फाइनल डिसीजन। कैन वी कट टू द चेज, आई वॉन्ट टू नो द फाइनल डिसीजन। अगला सेंटेंस है, उसने अपनी स्थिर नौकरी, जो भी उसकी स्टेबल जॉब थी, उसको छोड़ दी और एक रात में करोड़पति बनने के अवास्तविक सपने के पीछे। मतलब जब हम किसी एक अनरियल सपने को पाना चाहते हैं, जो कि हमारी कैपेसिटी से बाहर की चीज़ होती है, तब वहाँ पर हम एक ईडियम यूज करते हैं, चेज द रेनबो। तो इस सेंटेंस को हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, ही लेफ्ट हिज स्टेबल जॉब टू चेज द रेनबो ऑफ बिकमिंग अ मिलेनियर ओवरनाइट। यानी रातों रात करोड़पति बनने का जो सपना देख रहा था, उसके लिए उसने अपनी लगी लगाई नौकरी भी छोड़ दी। चेज द रेनबो यहाँ पर यूज होगा, ये एक ईडियम है। क्यों? इसका मतलब यही होता है कि जब हम किसी ऐसे ड्रीम के पीछे भागते हैं जिसे पाना इम्पॉसिबल है और जो कि अनरियल होता है, हम पा ही नहीं सकते, तो वहाँ पे हम चेज द रेनबो को यूज करते हैं। अगला सेंटेंस है, वो इस सोच के साथ अवास्तविक सपना देख रही है कि विदेश में उसे आदर्श जीवन मिलेगा। शी इज चेजिंग द रेनबो थिंकिंग शी विल फाइंड द परफेक्ट लाइफ अब्रॉड। शी इज चेजिंग द रेनबो थिंकिंग शी विल फाइंड द परफेक्ट लाइफ अब्रॉड। तो इसलिए यहाँ पे क्योंकि एक ऐसा सपना देखिए जो पूरा होना मुश्किल है, तो यहाँ पे हम चेजिंग द रेनबो कर लेंगे इस सेंटेंस में यूज। अगला सेंटेंस है, क्यों बिना किसी वजह के तुम अपना खून जला रही हो। कहते हैं ना कई बार खामा तुम अपना खून जला रहे हो। तो इसे हम 3 तरीक़ों से बना सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट वे है, वाई आर यू स्ट्रेसिंग योर सेल्फ आउट फॉर नो रीजन। वाई आर यू स्ट्रेसिंग योर सेल्फ आउट फॉर नो रीजन, यानी बिना किसी मतलब के। अगला तरीका ये है, वाई आर यू बॉदरिंग योर सेल्फ अननेसेसरली। वाई आर यू बॉदरिंग योर सेल्फ अननेसेसरली। वाई आर यू वरिंग योर सेल्फ फॉर नथिंग। वाई आर यू वरिंग योर सेल्फ फॉर नथिंग। अगला सेंटेंस है, यह जली कटी बातें अब और मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती। इसे हम कई तरीक़ों से बना सकते हैं। आई कांट टॉलरेट दीज बिटर एंड सार्केस्टिक रिमार्क्स एनी मोर। I can't tolerate these bitter and sarcastic remarks anymore. I can't endure these hurtful comments any longer. I can't endure these hurtful comments any longer. I'm done putting up with these sharp and cutting remarks. I'm done putting up with these sharp and cutting remarks. I can't take these taunts anymore. I can't टेक दीज टॉन्ट्स एनी मोर। टॉन्ट्स मतलब जब हम किसी को ऐसे मतलब व्यंग करते हैं, किसी को जली कटी बातें सुनाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे टॉन्ट वर्ड को भी यूज़ किया जा सकता है।